Hey gorgeous! Before you spend $80 at the nail salon, let me show you these SHEIN press-on nails. I'm applying them step by step. And make sure you watch this full video because I'm giving you amazing tips on how to find the really good handmade press-on nails from SHEIN. Hey gorgeous, welcome back to Pressed House by Joy. And first I want to say Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays to everyone. Today we are about to get into these Christmas press-on nails. Yes. By the time you see this video, Christmas has probably already passed, but I could not pass up this opportunity to show you guys these gorgeous nails because they were such a vibe. And to be completely honest with you all, I was rushy in this whole video. I was trying to get ready for this Christmas party and I'm like, I'm not leaving this house until my nails are done. And I'm so glad I didn't because these nails turned out super cute. And not to mention, these nails were super quick to apply. It only took me around 35 minutes and I was out the door. And y'all know with it being Christmas Eve, I'm sure that those nail salons was definitely packed. But this is why I love being a press-on girly. Like I did this all in the comfort of my own home. And guess what? My nails are eating down, babes. Like, please stop playing. And for real, if I did not have these press-on nails, I probably would have just left with my nails not done. And it would have ruined my whole outfit. You know, like when you have a nice outfit on and your nails not done, the outfit just don't hit the same. Or is it just me? Like... Because when your nails are done, it's like the icing on the cake. It make every outfit look good. Like, please be for real. If you know, you know. These are the two nails that I had to choose between and they are so cute. They're actually a little different for me, the almond nails, because I'm definitely a square tip duck girly, but I seen these and I had to grab them. I also posted the exact title of these nails, so if you like them and you want them, girl, you know what to do. Just to let you know, these are Hello Kitty nails, and yes, I still love Hello Kitty at this big grown age. I've always loved Hello Kitty, so when I seen these was right up my alley. And even though these are Hello Kitty nails, they still give grown and mature, and they don't look very childish to me, so they're just like real fun holiday nails, in my opinion. Also, I seen one of my subscribers ask me how do I find the really good press-on nails on SHEIN, and girl, I hope you see this video because I'm definitely about to put you on. Basically, all you have to do is go on SHEIN and type in handmade press-on nails. And when you do, it should be a whole lot of nails that pop up. But what you want to look for is the nails that say 10 pieces. Basically, the ones that say 10 pieces are the ones that someone actually sat there and designed themselves. Also, you want to look for the 10-piece nails that look like they are displayed on something and not the ones that are displayed on someone's hand. Like this, for example. The 24-piece nails are like the nails you get from Walmart, Target, kind of like the Kiss brand. They were manufactured by a machine. However, they are way better quality than the ones that you get from the store. Super durable. I actually bought the 24-piece before and I actually like them. To me, the 24-piece is great for anyone who don't want to bother with measuring their real nails, or maybe you don't even know what size your real nails are for the custom handmade ones. What I have learned though with the press-on nails that are displayed on someone's hand, that is someone who actually copied someone else's work, which isn't bad. That just means that they took the design and redesigned them on their own, you know, if that makes sense. But like I said, that's not necessarily bad because nail artists recreate designs all the time. But yeah, that's how you find the really good press-on nails on SHEIN. I hope I explained that really well for you. If you have any more questions, just comment down below. And to be honest, this is my very first time trying almond nails, and I think this is my favorite shape now because do you see how these nails look on my hands? Like, so freaking gorgeous. They make my hands look so good. Oh my goodness. Like, what took me so long to try almond nails? Like, that is so crazy. And here's another tip for you. I realized when I was trying to take off the plastic piece with my other hand, it was hard to do because I had the nails on. So what I did was I took the nail clipper and took the plastic piece off, and it made it so much easier.
So I got trouble trusting, but I let my guard down for you. Said I put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said take your time, what's the rush?
Okay, I did try something a little bit different this time. Basically what I did was I took that builder gel from that BT Art Box nail kit and I just painted it underneath my nails, trying to see if it's going to make it stronger. Not because the nails aren't strong already, they're very durable, but I need the extra security for myself because y'all, I'm a mail carrier outside of here and I'm always using my hands and banging them against something. So I just need the extra security for myself, and if I like this, I will come back and give you guys a review. Honestly though, if you don't have a hard, rough job like I do, I think you'll be fine. Like I said, these nails are very strong and very durable, so I think you could skip this step, but I just want to test this out to see if it works for me or if it works at all. If you could see on my pinky nail, you could still see my real nail underneath, and that's expected because these are almond nails, but all I did was take my nail clipper and clipped at my real nails so you can't see it no more, and I did that on both of my pinky fingers. Don't cut the press-on nail, only your real nails though. And just like that, we have ourselves some gorgeous, beautiful nails in literally no time at all. And the great thing about it, we didn't even have to design these nails. All we had to do was press and go. And if you follow my tips and tricks, these nails can easily last you a month or even longer. That is all for this video, and if you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more content like this, subscribe to my channel as well. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can be notified of my videos. And I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. Bye!
Yeah. Throwing dirt on my whole name. Only gets worse when you know things. You don't see the perks of this whole thing, but you get real on a pill and I like it. You just like my sidekick. I just wanna ride, fulfill all your desires. Keep you in the front, never in the back, and never